We're gonna talk to it. Don't record Saudi at all. Talking from a camera. Recording the boots. When do you want me to stop recording? Hey. Even on a snow day, you still gotta work. Shoveling this whole shit. Up. Gotta make that money somehow. Catch you guys later. This is the cat from the store I always see in the morning. Just what I thought about recording this because it's fucking snowing in Brooklyn. Nobody was really expecting it this bad. And the outfit of the day, I got a scarf, Gryffindor, Harry Potter, my jacket from Rainbows. Forgot where I got these boots. So it's fucking freezing cold. Just want to go to the store and hurry up and get back home because bitch need to get lit. I'm tired of this fucking coldness. Well, let's continue and hope you like the video. Bye.